All right, so I have 8 gigs, but I only have about 40 minutes to do them all. The good news is they're all in the same area within like 2 miles of each other is Sam's Club. I got 2 gigs at Sam's Club. A little bit down the road is BJ's. I got 2 gigs at BJ's. These all seem like pretty fast gigs. They shouldn't take a while. The part that is really going to be important is parking and getting into the store quick and then getting out of the store. Now that we have 3 gigs and not a lot of time, it's going to be very important for us to not run around the store. We have to make sure that we don't pass a walk back and forth anything. I know that the herbicide and pesticide is going to be in the middle of the store. I know that the coffee is going to be past it, and then the protein shakes are on the way out. So that is the order I am going to do these gigs. So I've done this gig many times at this store. The herbicide and pesticide is usually by like the kayaks and the outdoor stuff. So here it is. The whole gig is going to be in this section. When you're doing these gigs, don't overthink it. I don't know the difference between herbicide and pest control, but I guess that the herbicide and pesticide was the outdoor stuff and the pest control was the indoor stuff, and it got approved. So that's all I had to do was take a picture of these 3 shelves. It's going to ask if there was a display. When I was walking up, I didn't see any displays. There's usually not a display. Next question is going to be a freestanding display. They just want a random display that they didn't ask for. So I got that 1 gig down. We already made $3. It hasn't even been a minute in the store. Now we're going to the next one. This is one that I never did. This is an audit. These are very rare, but they pay a lot more. This one paid $5, and it's going to be even quicker than the $3 one. They're asking for a specific coffee product, like some cool espresso, and all I'm going to have to do is take an overview picture of it on the aisle. I wasn't sure if they have it. If you go to a store doing one of these and you don't find the product, you'll still get paid as long as you follow the directions. So first question was for this pallet of coffee, just an overview picture. So I stood back, got a nice picture. Next, it asked how many products were there. There was an option for 11 plus, and there was a whole pallet of it. So I chose that one. Now, the last one that I'm doing at this store is the protein shakes. I know it's all the way in the first aisle on my way out. That's why I saved this one for last. So I'm walking through the back now, and then I am going to do the shelf really quick. It's going to be 1 aisle, 1 straight shelf. I'm going to take the pictures while I'm walking so I don't waste any time. This is how you're able to do so many gigs and make money. A lot of people comment on my videos saying, how are you going to make any money if they only pay $3? Well, this is how you're going to stack them. You're going to do multiple gigs at the same store, and then this is going to add up. So I'm getting all these gigs done in 45 minutes. So look, this is the aisle. I'm just scanning the aisle, pressing the photo button. I'm not stopping at all, going right down. It's a lot of pictures, but if you've been doing this for a while and you know how to take your fixed pictures fast, it literally takes about the same amount of time as if you were just walking through the aisle. So now I had some issues here. It looks like management. These people looked important. They were wearing the badges. Lady was in front of me with their cart. You're going to have issues like this. So now I kind of slowed down a little bit. I let this lady grab her protein shakes. And then now I'm right in front of what looks like the manager. So I'm making it look like I'm actually shopping. I don't want them to talk to me. I don't want them to ask why I'm taking pictures. And I definitely don't want them to tell me I can never come back to this store, because this is where I make like 60% of my money doing these gigs. Another person, it was kind of tight aisle. This person got out of my way, and now I'm slowing down now. I'm making it look like I'm actually scanning the barcodes. So if these people are watching me, it looks like I'm doing an Instacart or shopping for coupons or something, and not just taking pictures of their aisle. And then next question was a display. So that these end caps had a display. So I got this side of it, and then I got the front of the display. So overall, I was in this store well less than 10 minutes. Let's go to the next one. I only have about 25 minutes left to do all of the rest. All right, so we just left the Sam's Club. All 3 of those gigs were super easy, basically no work, just having to go into Sam's Club. Next, we have 2 gigs at BJ's and then 1 gig at Home Depot. And now we only have 22 minutes. All of these places are within 2 miles of each other. The BJ's one should be easy too. The pesticide and herbicide ones are always super easy at the big box stores because they only have one little section. The pesticide and herbicide at Home Depot, that one is a little bit tricky. There's going to be a lot more pesticide and herbicide products. So that one may take like 5 or 10 minutes to do. And I only have 21 minutes and I have to go to 2 different stores. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull this off, but I'm going to have fun. All right, we're at BJ's. I go to the store and do gigs almost every day. I know this store better than the people that work there. So pest control and herbicide is going to be at the same place it was in Sam's Club, in the middle by the outdoor adventure section, kayaks, barbecues, stuff like that. Again, very small aisle of these pest control products at this store. So again, it was just these 3 pictures. One for the herbicide and then one for the pesticide. No displays, super easy. And now I know the skincare one is going to be on the right side of the store by like the home cleaning products. And it's all going to be in one aisle. This gig is going to be super easy. The skincare one could be difficult at like CVS or Walgreens when they have like all those different makeup displays and stuff like that. But here it's just going to be one aisle. Everything is going to be right next to each other. And now I am entering the skincare aisle. So all these skincare products here, it's going to be a lot of pictures. But like I told you, if you take your pictures fast, it takes only a couple of minutes to get all of these pictures. So I'm going down to the end. I have to start with the face cream. It's a little confusing what's face clean, what's hand and body cream, but just do your best. I never got denied for this gig, and I'm always confused which one's hand cream, which one's face cream. So the first question is for the face cream. All right, BJ's went really quick, but now we only have 10 minutes for Home Depot, and Home Depot is 5 minutes away. So I'm going to have to be really quick going through this gig. The good news is I got another $4 gig at the Dollar Tree. So, and it's right in the same direction. So if this Home Depot doesn't work out, at least I have that, but I really want to try to get this. All right, so we're at Home Depot. We have less than 6 minutes. Let's see if we could do this. So Home Depot is another big warehouse store. If you don't know where the stuff is, you could waste a lot of time, and I didn't have any time to waste, but I've done this gig at this store multiple times. So the outdoor bug, I'm going to do as the herbicide and pesticide. There was no one in the aisle. Nice big aisle. So far, everything is going good. I have very little time to do this, but this gig should only take a couple of minutes to do. So I got all of that. Next one is displays. As I was walking up, I saw a lot of displays. It was kind of hard, again, to determine what's herbicide, what's pest control. So I just did my best. This one looks like outdoor bug control, so I got a picture of that display, and I think there was another pallet of that over here, so I'm getting that one too. Always try to look for the displays. You may get approved if you say there was no displays and there actually was, but if everyone did that, then the app wouldn't get good data, and then I wouldn't have a job if the app goes away. So I always try to do my best. So now I'm doing the pest control, just this side over here. It looks like I'm going to make it. It looks like I'm going to be able to do this as long as I don't lose service. Some of these stores have no service, and then when you try to submit it, it doesn't work. You have to wait till you get outside. Now I'm getting this. This is like some mouse traps. I consider that pest control. There was some ant traps over here, bug spray, all that stuff. Getting it quickly. I just want to get this last display, and then I'm on my way out, and I want to get it submitted, because even if I get it done in time, but if I don't submit it in time, then it's going to go. And 4 hours may seem like a lot of time. When I was reserving these gigs this morning, it felt like I had all day, but those 4 hours will go super fast. So keep that in mind. So we did it. I had about 2 minutes left. So it took me probably about 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes to complete this whole gig. Very easy. Keep in mind, a lot of these field agent gigs are like that. Only a couple of minutes. The hardest part is getting to the store. Now I picked up another one, which is a candy audit. It pays $4, and it's right in the shopping center over at Dollar Tree. So let's do that one too. I think that's going to be the last for the day. I have an Ulta one, but it's only $2.50. I might not feel like doing it. All right, we're at Dollar Tree. Let's do this. So it was really easy to find the candy aisle. These dollar stores are the easiest stores to do gigs at because it's such a small format store. I'm just going to fast forward a little bit. I'm just taking a picture of each 4-foot section of the aisle, and that's it. I'm done. So there we go. I ended up getting 3 more gigs on my way home. They were $3.50 for the tape and glue products. That brings the total gigs to 10 gigs. Probably took me about an hour total, so I'll do 10 gigs in an hour, and I made $34. So yes, it is a lot of pictures. It is a lot of work. You do have to actually go to the store and actually do something. No, you're not going to get rich, but you can make a good $20 to $40 an hour having fun like I did. It's like an adventure, like a scavenger hunt. And if you want to sign up for Field Agent and try it out yourself, check out the link down below.